Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Okay, so we had this spinach in an understory location. Most of it has perished as it's getting warmer, and one of them actually bolted. So this was just pretty much an experiment, and we're learning that spinach doesn't do well in an understory location. But what we want to do is take a look at the spinach that bolted and see if it produced any seeds. It looks like it may have, if you look at the very top here. So let's get into that. Alright, so here's the stalk of the bolted spinach. It's got a few pods right there. Let's break into them, see what we got. Trying to peel back some of this exterior, but maybe that's the seed. It's gotta be. Well, we're gonna let these dry and then stick them in the ground at some point. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, because we'll be putting these guys into the ground at some point, and we're gonna see if they grow. But right now, what I want to do is I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator for probably 90 days. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.